guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. So today we're going off on a tangent. Now today we are going to be doing something that helps me with the burns that I managed to get from, let's see, what's it called, the video where I was supposed to do my hair, but I spent the entire time burning myself, it would seem, and I didn't realise how bad they were until this one started turning green. It's slowly getting better, but hurts. And I've tried like after sun. I've got like an aloe vera gel after sun. I've been using straight aloe vera. I thought, well, the aloe vera does cool it, but it's not meant for like a serious burn. But that's not going to stop me from today's video, because what I am going to do today is make my own aloe vera gel. So that includes everything that's within it, and then I've got some for next time I burn myself, because we're getting good at the hair care. We're only burning ourselves once each time instead of multiple. I'm going to take that as a win. Whether you do is a different matter. You do you. But yes, that is our plan today. All the items that we need are aloe vera. It's downstairs. And from what I wrote down, I have a book. Bear with. I put all of my video ideas in this little thing, and then I just tick them off as I've done it. So I'm trying to get myself in a more organised place. Where am I? What have I done? What? No. Wait. I know I wrote it. Oh, here we... No. Got it. So I've written it all down. So basically you need your aloe vera plant. We've got a few downstairs growing. I'm not going to be making too much because I don't want to ruin my beautiful little plants. And the other thing they suggested is to put a couple of drops of vitamin E in, or citric acid, to help preserve it for longer, which is good. I've bought some vitamin E capsules, so you can literally just tear them and drop that in. So I'll be mixing that, blending that all up and having it in a little jar, and then I'll show you and we'll use it. My other thing, sneaky little thing I'm going to join into, is I've also seen that aloe vera is really good for like swollen gums, anything like that. I find that I get swollen gums quite a bit. I've had quite a lot of throat problems since I was a kid, and my mouth always gets swollen and then it starts and goes into my gums. So I'm hoping, because I've seen a toothpaste recipe, can't find where I saw it last, but I'm going to find that, and we're going to also make some toothpaste from it and see how that works on my gums and things, because they're not pretty. But if it soothes them, I'm all game for it, until I eventually can afford enough to get them all ripped out and get completely new set, which is nice and straight, white, you know, full, not missing bits, not fillings. Oh, the dreams. The dreams. Anyway, that is our plan for today, and let's get on to the video. Hey guys, remember, like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Okay, it's a few days later, and I decided, instead of doing it in the kitchen because I couldn't be bothered, I would make the aloe vera gel and toothpaste up here. So, you can't see it, but I've got my board, which I'm using to put stuff on. Got a jug. I got a blender. Oh, I have my vitamin E capsules, which I can sort of like just break apart with my trusty earth. I also have my aloe vera that I've bought. What I say, we've bought some compost today, so I can finally start to separate some of the little babies, because they're just so cute. But we're working on this big centre one, leaving all the little ones around the edges. And I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. Oh, I should also mention I have a packet of mint leaves for the toothpaste. So we're going to get started. We're starting the gel. And basically both of these sort of methods, recipes, whatever, they work exactly the same. It's just the toothpaste. They do ask you to put, what's it called? So with the toothpaste, they ask you to add essential oil. So it's the peppermint essential oil. But I don't have that. And this was cheaper. So we've bought mint leaves. And they're edible anyway. So makes sense. And then I'm going to also add the vitamin E into that, because that's supposed to make it a little bit more long lasting. I've just realised that I have forgotten to bring up my little tubs. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back in a second. So I've got my jars. I've got this one's got a little green top, which will be for the gel, and the blue top I'm going to use for the toothpaste. I didn't want to make too much because my plant's not that big. So until it grows, bless her, a little bit more. Plus there's another aloe vera plant downstairs that's doing some growing. But until they grow to like a massive size so I can make quite a bit, I'm just going to stick to the little ones. Plus I think the little one's going to be less wasteful. So we're going to start, well done, jars down, everything off of the board. I'm going to try and tilt you, so now you can't see me, which is probably the best thing for you. But I'm going to get my trusty little knife. Come on. Good. Thank you. I'm going to start with these little bits that have already been cut previous. I'm just going to cut the end off there. I've got my jug because obviously I want to be putting stuff in it. I'm going to cut the edges, both sides done. So the next bit is to pull this top off of it. And as you can see, oh, there's all the gel. I'll put that there. Just going to bring that up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go find a spoon. I should have really organised myself. Oh, I found a spoon! I didn't even know I had a spoon up here. So I'd have to go downstairs. Well, yeah, I'm gross. I'm going to scoop it out because I'm getting more that way. Let go of the spoon. I'm hoping that's enough, but I don't think it's going to be. Okay, so we've got some, hold on, some gel. You can barely see it, so I'm really sorry. If I use any more, I'm going to not have a plant. So we're just going to use a little bit for now, which is fine because it means that if it doesn't work for me, it's not wasting it. But to get both the clear liquid and the gel mixed, I should say. Why do words not work? Anyway, we're going to use this. We're going to use a hand blender and just mix it together anyway. Okay, I'm going to have to move towards the plug because, you know, helpful. So it's a little bit bubbly now, but it isn't lumpy anymore. So that's a good sign. So the next bit I'm going to add is the vitamin E capsules. Tiny, I think I'll add 2. I'm just using my craft knife into the capsule just to split it and I'm squeezing it in. That's 4 of the vitamin E's added, and I'm just going to blend that in again. So that is the main gel done. So I'm going to put just a little bit, obviously not all of it because there's not much in there, into here. Tiny bit more. So that's that gel done. Obviously I've only filled up a tiny bit, but that's fine because we're just trying to see if it works. Next bit we're going to do, let's get our mint. I've had these, I think, over the ovens. They've got a little bit cooked, some of them. Ew. Oh, that smells lovely. Right, that's just a couple. I don't want to overpower it. So that's blended, and now pour the rest of that into here. Okay, there's a lot more in there, but I think that's because we've added the mint. And then we're going to just leave that to settle and clean up. So there we go, toothpaste. And as you can see in this one, no longer is bubbly. It's starting to settle a lot now, so I can use that as and when I need to. And obviously this one's still quite bubbly, but it's going to settle. It looks a lot more because of the fact that there's mint leaves added. So I am going to clear up, tidy away, and then we're going to use them in a little bit. Hey guys, so I forgot to do an outro, but I just wanted to give you my 2 cents about it. The toothpaste was actually really nice. The only downside to that was that it was very watery, and obviously with me using mint leaves and not having enough gel for it to mix properly, obviously you get like the little green bits on your teeth. But other than that, I actually did feel a difference for my gums. They like instantly felt a lot smoother, a lot more soothed. That's the word I'm going for. And then the gel, yeah, it works just like how aloe vera does generally. It's currently in the fridge, but what I might do eventually is redo the toothpaste one, but obviously I'm going to wait till, I'm saying obviously a lot, so whatever. But what I'm going to do is wait until my aloe vera plants have grown a lot more, which means I'll have a lot more product. But at the moment I haven't really got any complaints apart from the bits of toothpaste and not having enough. You know, can't be helped. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to press that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!